If you're looking to add a fridge to your kitchen, then you might need a model with a particular hinge type, depending on your setup. Many freestanding models come with reversible hinges, so you can open the door to the left or the right. This gives you greater flexibility when planning your kitchen layout to help find the perfect spot. But if you're planning on buying a built-in model, you'll be given everything you need to attach the cupboard door with either a sliding or fixed hinge. Sliding hinges are the go-to hinge for most standard models. Meanwhile, larger fridges that need a bit more support will usually have sturdy fixed hinges. Luckily, this information is easy to find on the product specification section of our product pages. Already know which hinge type you need? You can use our filter options when searching to only show specific hinges. If you're looking to replace your current built-in fridge, your new model will need the same hinges.